AI content marketing with an income potential between $200 and $300 an hour. I'm about to tell you something once you hear, you can't unhear it, and it's just as bad as finding out that Santa Claus isn't real. Have you ever heard of Arnold's Pump Club? Okay, it is the top podcast by Arnold Schwarzenegger, and it's his newsletter and an app, and it is massive. It's a huge business. What's crazy is he's never recorded a podcast. He has an agency that manages the whole thing for him from start to finish using AI systems, creating newsletter content, voice clones, and publishes the whole thing automatically. So here's how you can get paid top dollar to build an AI content creation engine just like them. Number one, define the outcome. What does a complete product look like? Is it just a podcast with 100 episodes? Is it a newsletter? Is it some other kind of premium content like an app? You got to figure out the whole strategy, but the cool part is you use AI to help you. Number two, create the content. Use all the skills. You kind of stack them together that I just taught you to generate all the different content strategies you're going to need to get paid to produce this thing. Number three, repurpose content. You take that 1 hour podcast and you have AI pull the clips to publish it all over the freaking place. Your customer becomes this omnipresent person in their industry where everybody sees them all over the place and they're giving you all the credit and referring you to many other people, helping you get paid to do the same thing for them.
So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.